Hi, I'm Ray, and I'm at home and I'm tidying up the beds, and this is my carnations, and they've sent out just a couple of flowers but not done too much, so I'm going to show you how to deadhead the carnations. So this is the carnations we've got in this tub, and they've sent out some long spikes with some flower buds on, and to deadhead these we're going to cut down to the first leaf node. So I follow it all the way down, and we take our snips and we snip. So we remove this, and now the plant can put all its energy back into making some new flower buds. So we go follow this one all the way down to the nearest leaf node and cut. And there we go. And we do that with all the carnations. And hopefully we'll get a second bloom to come.